Hello everyone, today I want to explain my homework 4.5, exercise 3.4. Write a C hash with bubbles sorted by text box style. Next, I will introduce the details step by step according to the PPT. This homework has 4 main goals. First, understand and make the bubble sort agreement work. Second, learn to use 3 controls in C hash waveforms, text box, button, and timer. Third, show the sorting process in real time with text box to make it visual. Fourth, use timer to control sorting step by step and simulate animation. This homework doesn't need actual hardware, only a computer and related software. I used Visual Studio 2022 as the development tool. It relies on Net framework, which is based for WinForms applications to run smoothly. The core of C hash program is the receive date and the display date. This suite is basic preparation interface components. Text box 1 to store 8 numbers for sorting. Button 1 generate random numbers and show them in text boxes. This page shows the core variable and the basic structure of the project. The code starts with a namespace and a form class. There are 3 core variables: double error code date to store 8 numbers for sorting, temp date to help swap element, and an integer I add a counter for the outer loop of bubble sort to control how many passes it takes. The random button generates random numbers and shows them in text box. First, create a random object and clear the error with error. Clear. Then use a loop to make 8 random numbers between 1 and 9 and give them to the first 8 position of the error. Finally, put the error elements into 8 text boxes so we can see the random number directly. The key knowledge here includes random next. For random numbers, error clear to append the error, and the text box text to update with what's shown on the screen. The sort button starts the sorting. When you click it, 3 key codes run. First, turn on the timer called delay timer. Set the interval to 1000 milliseconds, which is 1 second, and then start the timer. The key knowledge here is using the timer control. Enable turns it on. Interval sets the time between steps, and the start makes it run. This is timer take event. The timer take event is the core of bubble sort. It runs every 1 second to sort step by step. First, the outer chink I less than 8 controls how many passes max 8. Then the inner loop controls how many completions per pass. Each pass has one less compass because some numbers are already in place. When two adjective numbers are in the wrong order, use template to swap them. After swapping, update the text boxes right away to show the process. When more than 8, sorting is done. Stop the timer and pop up a sorting done message. The key knowledge here is bubble, sort, compare, swap logical, and the timer. Take event for step-by-step execution. This page summarizes key points about bubble sort. It includes the idea to compare two adjacent numbers, swap them if they are in the wrong order. Each pass moves to largest number to the end, like a bubble racing. The number of passes is 9. Is n to 1. Here n is 8, so 8 passes. The number of compares per pass gets smaller. For speed, the wrongest cases is 0, and the best case when numbers are already sorted. This homework helps master 4 core knowledge points. First, using #, form controls, text box for showing things, button for triggering actions, timer for step-by-step control. Second, error operation, how to define, give values, clear and swap elements in an error. Third, the bubble sort algorithms, understanding its compare, swap, logical, and how to control passes and compares. First, event-driven programming using the click event for button and tick event for timer. Let's look at the video. Finally, here's the demo process in 4 steps. First, the input screen has 8 input text box and 2 buttons. Step 2, click the random button. The 8 text box will show random numbers between 1 and 9. Step 3, click the sort button. The numbers in text box update every 1 second, showing the sorting process step by step. Step 4, when sorting finishes, a message pops up and the text boxes show the sorted numbers. That's all for my homework explained. That's all for my homework explained. Thanks for listening. Goodbye.